This Mark V Jetta has a set of wheels installed that don't have TPMS sensors, so it's getting an error about not being able to see the sensors. Today I'm going to show you how to disable that. For this process, you're going to need a scan tool like VCDS or OBDeleven. Go into Central Convenience, Coding, and then Long Coding. Be sure to jot down your long coding number so that you know what to reset it to should anything go wrong. But from there, go to byte 17, bit 5, and we're going to make the TPMS not installed / inactive. Then hit do it. From there, go to the CAN gateway module, coding, long coding. Again, copy your long coding numbers so you know what to reset it to should anything go wrong. Then go to byte 3, bit 0, and disable tire pressure monitoring. You might get an invalid coding error, but just hit no on that option to not reset it, and you should be good to go. From there, check and clear any fault codes that might currently be in the system, and then double check that they haven't come back. You should be all set to go with no TPMS error.